From the inception, we've known who we are, what we aim to achieve, and how we plan to get there. And as we've grown, our values have guided us every step of the way. As a pioneer, we lead with a customer-first mindset while upholding integrity. We work together to find simple and effective solutions and drive innovation through continuous improvement.
From day one, Roger and SHL has always focused on our customers and making sure we over-deliver to them. Over the last 2 years, we set up a new site in the US from a brownfield. Our customer asked us, because of the growth they see, especially in North America, and within 2 years we went from having nothing in the US to building a site that more than will double our global capacity. And it gives us a great sense of pride, right, that we have delivered on this promise.
I think here at SHL we have a fantastic opportunity to really change the world. By 2030 we want to reach 8 million patients, but we also want to do that by reducing our climate emissions and to develop devices that can be reused and recycled in the future.
We are not only fulfilling those demands today, we are also looking at future generations of products for the challenges of tomorrow.
So it's easy to make something complicated. It's not easy to make it simple. A good experience was actually when we created the first SAP implementation. So for 1 week, I walked with my whole team, it was about 30 people, to each single process. Why do we have 5 steps? Do we need this step 4? Instead of having 4,500 customization days, we had 1,200 left. Beauty lies in simplicity. That's what we strive for.
We stretch ourselves to go above and beyond. We support each other and we learn and grow as a team. It's really driven by the fact that our markets are very dynamic and fast-paced, and so we need to be as well. And it's that kind of speed and opportunity to shape the future that I find the most exciting at SHL.
Everyone here is driven and ambitious. That's just who we are. And we know that we are stronger together. Our diverse backgrounds, experiences and skills are what make us unbeatable as a team.
Almost 3 years to the day, one of our customers approached me and requested that we would have a manufacturing facility in the USA producing from 3 years. Without collaborating with every department in the company, we wouldn't have succeeded. I couldn't have done it without colleagues from the technical organisation, colleagues from legal, colleagues from quality and HR and all the departments that have pulled together to make this happen. That, for me, is testament to what SHL can do. We always deliver.
Here at SHL, we are enabling patients' independence, listening to our customers, and driving positive change with every action. We are SHL Medical. Together, we're enabling patients' independence.